Hello friends, welcome back. Let's quickly look at the stocks for tomorrow. So we'll be starting with the analysis of Nifty first. Today it was a sideways day for most of the time, and after 1 p.m. in the second half of the day, the sellers were very heavy and pushed the market down very quickly. So what exactly I did today? So if we see, okay, on 15-minute chart, I was just telling yesterday that I will be looking for long positions if we had a good retracement here. So once the price was opened, gapped up, then I was looking for a retracement to the downside. So on 3-minute chart, when I saw that this minor swing low was broken to the downside here, I was just waiting for a retracement here. And the retracement was quickly achieved. And this was the only trade which I took today. It was a very simple trade, as you can see, as per my logic. If you follow my system, if you haven't seen my system, you can find the link in the description for my trading 600 system. Okay, so I opened this around 61.8 retracement, keeping the stop loss here, and easily the target was achieved here. So this was the only trade which I wasn't able to take today on Nifty futures. I took this profit here. It was a small trade, short trade. And after that, I was thinking that the retracement will be deeper. In fact, I was, thinking somewhere around here that Nifty should retrace and, fill this gap, but it did not actually happen. So I was just sitting on sideline. So, and after that, it just moved up and broke the high of the day, which has been made at 10 a.m. So people ask that how can we anticipate that this move is going to happen? Look, we are not here to anticipate. There is nothing we can anticipate from market. That is a fact. But if you study price action, you can get a glimpse that what exactly may happen, right? So if you study here, if you see here, the swing was getting very smaller, you see. And once this big candle around 1 a.m. was made, I was pretty much sure that this particular move has ended. And once this was broken here, I was sure that some downside is going to happen. But this much sharp move will happen, nobody can be sure. I mean, nobody can predict that this sharp move is going to happen at this time. If somebody was interested in shorting here, or you see, this is a up move to the upside, but a counter trend move could have been opened here. A counter trend move could have been opened here as per the same logic which I showed here. So you would have got the entry exactly here, and your target could have been 1-to-1 of this trade, somewhere around here, right? But you can never adjust the volume of this move. So you will be asking that how could I have achieved this thing? You could have got this much of target, or maybe if you would have seen that the momentum is high to downside, you would have booked at 161, which I would have done. I did not take it. I couldn't get this trade, frankly. So this move, I think most of the people who are using some system could have only achieved the part of this move. Entire move, I'm not pretty much sure if anybody or any retail trader could have achieved this. Yes, many people would have achieved. I don't deny it, but yeah, it is very hard. So you should not chase all the moves. You cannot get, you know, you cannot get every money which is being thrown out by the market. So what should we expect market tomorrow? So this is the 9. This is the lower high, higher low. Sorry. If this is broken yesterday or in the opening session, if this is breached, then I won't be looking for aggressive long positions. Instead, if this is getting breached here, I will watch for price action. If it is slowing down like this, then maybe I'll be opening a long position like this. This is one scenario. Another scenario is if price is opening in this area, I mean closer to the area where the price has closed today, then I will be opening a, if this happens like this, in this case I will be again opening a long position. Why? Because you see, this is the stop loss. I will put a stop loss somewhere in the vicinity of this thing. So risk to reward will be very much juicy. So in case market moves from here, then it will be very nice trade. I don't expect that it will be reversing from here, but yes, it can retrace up till half of this swing easily. So this is my trade analysis for tomorrow. I cannot give exact levels because I do not know. I mean, today it is very tough to give you exact levels where the opening can be. So I have given you two scenarios. If price is going down, then your uptrend is finished. I mean, this is a small uptrend. I was expecting this move, since this is the first leg of the down move, I was expecting that it will go somewhere around 61.8. But I seems like buyers are losing the grip over here and sellers have taken the party. So let's see if it is able to break this lower portion of the day. I mean lower end, which is at 17,388 roughly. So let's see how these scenarios work tomorrow. So let's look at the stocks. Okay, and the first stock which I have chosen for tomorrow is the short trade. As you can see, it has made a new structure high. So our expectation is that it should retrace, and once it has broken this, we are pretty much sure that at least a retracement is going to happen. Once it comes here, we will be opening our entry short around 266 with the stop loss around 269.15 and a target of 259. All right. Moving to the next stock. Okay, all right. This is India Mart, which I have already made a detailed video today. So I won't be discussing much on this. You can watch my video. I will put the link in the description as well. It is a detailed video, and probably you can check what are the scenarios I have discussed there. So in this case, as you can see, this is the marking which I did. I haven't removed anything. I do not fabricate my videos in a way to fit the part which I am trying to explain. So this is it. I was expecting, I already said in my video that somewhere around here, it can't go one way up. So it will be giving a retracement. So frankly telling, I will be opening long positions in this area, which is 4252 around 4200. I will be opening whenever I get some price here. I will be accumulating here and putting my stop loss just below this. Stop loss will be just below 4145. So my target, I'll be not opening this for a single day trade. I'll be opening it for a swing trade, possibly, or maybe for a week or two. Let's see how quickly it achieves the target. So I have not given any target or any entry and exit point, but you can see my detailed analysis of this particular stock. Next stock which I have selected is ICICI Lombard, and since it made a good jump to upside after this big black candle or a sell candle, it was able to overcome this candle plus make a new high. So I'm expecting that there should be some action from buyers in this area. Entry will be 1250 long, SL will be 1242 with a potential target around 1300. Next one is Gnfc. Okay, this is a very risky trade which I am thinking to take tomorrow if it gives the trade as per my expectation. If it opens down this particular area 721, then completely this entry is not valid. If it opens in this area of 725, then I'll be taking a short out long. keeping the stop loss just below this 720.5 and expecting a target of roughly around 748.49. So this will be a risky trade. It has higher probability of breaking my stop loss, but I will take it because stop loss is very, very small. And in case my visualization is true, then it will be a very, very good trade. Throwing 2-3 rupees to just get, uh, around 25 rupees or more than that. If it goes from here and hits 748.49, it will be 26 rupees, risking only around one or, what will be it? 2-3 rupees, 4 rupees. So it will be very good trade. All right. So let's quickly look at Canfin Homes. One of my friends in the comment section has asked about it. That how can we anticipate that the price is going to move down? Look, friend, I will again tell we cannot anticipate any move in the market. But I have already told in the previous video as well that once this move was made and wherever this move is to complete, it could have completed here, it could have completed here, right? So how do you identify that the move has completed? Move has completed can be, you know, thought that it has completed once this structure is shown, right? This has been broken. This structure has been broken. That means seller are trying to take the price down. That means this entire swing has completed. Stock is still intact. The long, position or long promise is still intact, but the move which started from here has completed. So in this case, we can only anticipate a move downside if this particular structure gets broken. If there is a structure break to the downside, that means this move has completed and now it may resume its retracement journey. So if you want, you can open short entry around 635 with this SL above 641 and target for 621. But still, this has been a very strong move to the upside. I expect that once a good retracement around 50% or move, something is achieved by this, then again it will be a very good trade for a upside. You can keep shorting this one if price looks like that. And once it comes into this area, please be attentive and watch for any up move. Then it will be again in continuation of this trend, right? But if you say, how can I anticipate that the price will be breaking down? How the price will be breaking down on how can we do that? This is very, difficult task. You cannot do that. The only thing you can visualize is this move was very impulsive. Impulsive means momentum was very high. And after that, every move to the upside was very, very small. I mean, here to here, the price is very, very in congestion zone. That means buyers are not able to push it high. If buyers were able to push that high, it would have been done in this swing only. In this swing, this high would have been breached. But still, there are too many sellers here. That's why small swings are being created. In this way, you can visualize that the price may get down, right? But you should only take trade once price has done something. Once price has moved here, then only you should anticipate another trade. By, once things are not clear in this area, you should not take trade. Take trade only on your terms and on the basis of the system. Then only it will be very good trade. Hopefully this is helpful and please do share this video, like and comment. Post your query in the comment section and I'll be replying back. Till then, thank you and happy trading.